So like for instance, that sick lick. Yeah. You would make those faces. Oh, absolutely. Yeah. The lick is nothing. Because the lick, I mean, between you and I, the lick wasn't that great sounding. Wasn't that great. But with the face, but from my perspective, it looked amazing. Yeah. It looked like you were playing pretty. You gotta imagine that at a Guitar Center. Yeah. Using a Schecter C7 through a great